Rita Woll, Complete Relocation Solutions. We're here putting items of a client's into a temporary storage unit. I don't really recommend storage. If you don't really need the items, you either need to donate or to sell them. But this client is going to be moving and using it within the next 6 months. When you're in a storage unit, put down cardboard on the floor, especially if you're using a non-climate control unit. Put the heavy stuff to the back. Anything that are tables that have legs to them, the legs should always be down on the floor. And go to the expense of buying moving blankets. And you can get them very inexpensively online. Make sure that you don't pack things too tight, but you do want to pack tightly. Heavy items in the back and on the floor, lighter items on top. Rita Woll, Complete Relocation Solutions, 317-514-9793.